Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. Firstly, select the column that you would like to check for duplicates. Go to the menu and click Format. Here, select Conditional Formatting. Under Format Rules, scroll down and select Custom Formula Is. Since I'm trying to find duplicates in column C, I'm going to type in equals to COUNTIF, open brackets, C, semicolon, C, comma, C1, then close brackets, type in greater than 1, click done, and it will highlight all the duplicates in column C. If you want to find duplicates across multiple columns, select all the columns that you would like to check. I'm going to select column A to column C. Click Add another row and scroll down to Custom Formula Is. Type in equals to COUNTIF, open bracket. Now I'm going to type in $A, $1, semicolon, $C, $40,661, comma, then type in A1, close brackets, greater than 1. Click done, and it's going to highlight all the duplicates from column A to column C. And if you no longer want it to highlight the duplicates, select the columns again, and then come here and click Remove Row. And that's it for this guide on how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.